Welcome back as we close the quarter and close March. A lot of red on the board. Let's get to our countdown to the closing bell. Jared Blikre with the check of the Wi-Fi Interactive. And Jared, a lot of ugly numbers up on the board at this moment. Just a couple of minutes left.
Yeah, good thing it's the last day of the month here, last day of the quarter. We can see the Dow here. Actually, everything's down about 1.3, 1.4%. And you can see we're just kind of accelerating those losses into the close right now. NASDAQ has been the laggard of the day, and you can see very similar situation there. Bigger picture, though, really not going to put a dent in the month's gains because we have had not the greatest quarter, but the final month of March has been pretty good. So everything in the red right now, even utilities, which was solidly in the green before, financials, the worst to the downside here, communication services and consumer discretionary, each off about 1.75%. Looking at some of our meme stocks, interesting board here, kind of scattered. We got Robinhood down 7%, AMC down about 3%, GameStop, that's down about 90 basis points, excuse me. Also checking out the EV space. We see Tesla is off a little bit, but NIO, the Chinese stock, off about 4%, GM down 3%. And speaking of the Chinese stocks, let's see, more bad news regarding some of those listings. Gary Gensler not too positive about the fate of some of these names. Baidu down 8%, put on that list. 3 years comply with audits. Didi down 15%, and the list goes on. But let's take a look at the travel space. 30 seconds to go in the quarter. We got Carnival Cruise up 3%. United Airlines up 1%, but Trip.com down 4%. That is a Chinese stock. And finally, let's take a look at the ARK Innovation components. Square, that's down 3%. Shopify 4%. Coinbase down 3%. And one final word as we head into the end of the quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, great quarter.